Good morning, students. Today your new class and new chapter number 7, fractions. So you know what is the fractions? Fractions means 5 by 7, 6 by 7, 4 by 2, 5 by 3, etc. So but we can classify the fractions into the proper, improper, like, unlike, equivalent, unequivalent. So by some procedure we can classify the fractions. Now we have to know what is the examples of fractions. Examples of fractions are 5 by 2, 7 by 3, 9 by 5, etc. This is called fractions. And where 5 by 3, here this is called denominator and this is called numerator. So numerator is, upside is numerator, downside is denominator. Now we can divide, it means we can classify the like term. Like term is if 5 by 3, 5 by 13, 4 by 13, 10 by 13. If the denominators are same, then this is called like term. And unlike term, 5 by 13, 4 by 15, 2 by 3. See, denominators are different, so this is called unlike term. And unit fraction. If 1 by 5, 1 by 7, 1 by 9, 1 by 10, if numerator is 1, then that fraction will call unit fractions. Next, proper and improper. Proper, improper. See, proper, if we see 7 by 13, 4 by 5, 9 by 10, 11 by 20, and improper 7 by 5, 3 by 2, 10 by 6, etc. See, if the numerator is less than denominator, then this is called proper fraction. And if numerator is so this is less than, numerator is less than denominator, and if numerator is greater than denominator, then this will call the proper and improper. See, the numerator is greater than denominator. Okay. Next, and more equivalent. Equivalent. See, 5 by 7. Again, 5 by 7. Equivalent means if you see 5 into 2, 7 into 2. It's not 5 into 3, 7 into 2. This is not. If you multiply with 3, then 3. 4, 4. Okay? 4, 4. Not different. So, same number you have to multiply upside and downside. So, you will get 10 and 14. So, 10 by 14 is the equivalent fraction of 5 by 7. Okay? So this is the basic things for activity 1. Next, equivalent fractions we already discussed. Next, reducing fraction. Reduction of fraction. See, 12 and 16. First, we have to know that the HCF of this 12 and 16. So 16 divided by 12, we will got 1 times 2, 12, 4, 4 divided by 12, 3 times 12, 0. So HCF is 4. So divide both by HCF. 16 divided by 4. Answer will be 3 and 4. So 3 by 4 is the lowest term of 12 by 16. It means the reduction from of 12 by 16 is 3 by 4. So you have to first find the HCF, then divide both the denominator and numerator. So this is called reduction. Next, reducing improper fractions to the lowest term is same process. You just find a HCF, then you can get. Now comparison. Seven by 8 and 5/6. So how to compare this? Which one bigger and which one smaller? Now you see 8 and 6. Find the LCM. 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 1. So multiply 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 8 into 24. Okay. So 24 is the LCM. LCM of 8 and 6. So make this denominator the LCM. So 8 into 3 you will got 24. So downside 3 means upside number 3. 7 into 3 you will get 24 and 21. And here 6 into 4 then you will got 24. And upside also 5 into 4 20. Now see. Now see 24 here, 21, 24 here, 20. So see upside numerator, which numerator is bigger? 21 is bigger than 20. So this fraction is bigger. It means 21 by 24 means 7 by 8 is bigger than 5 by 6. Okay? And for normal process, this is called this is for unmatched denominator. For matching denominator, how to calculate? For same denominator, 7 by 5 and 7 by 2. So 5 is bigger than 2, so this fraction is bigger. Okay? For 7 by 5 and 7 by 2. Now see which one is bigger and which one is smaller. 5 is bigger. So for same numerator, see the lowest. For same numerator, see the lowest denominator. Lowest denominator is 2. So this fraction is bigger. For same denominator, see the highest numerator. Okay? So this 5 is bigger. So this fraction is bigger. So this is the comparison. Next, addition and subtractions of mixed fractions. So mixed fraction is five, 2, 3. It means 2 into 5 plus 3 equal to 10 plus 3 2 equal to 13 by 2. So how we got? Suppose 13 by 2 is means 13 2. So here no, this is wrong. This is wrong actually. Mixed fraction means for 13 divided by 3. So 4 times 12 1. So 4 come first, then 3 down 1. So it means 3 downside 3 into 4 plus 1 equal to 13 by 3. So this is called mixed fractions. Okay?